In this tutorial, what we're going to be focusing on is polygon modeling techniques using different professional workflows, techniques, tips, and tricks. So as we can see, we're going to be modeling this object here. And if I open up or turn on the wireframe on shaded mode here, you can see the wireframe on top of the object. It's a pretty complex object that's got a lot of detail, a lot of different complex areas need to be created. We're going to be modeling this in different parts, as that's the best way to approach something like this. And you can see we have a lot to model. We are going to be using reference images that are included with this tutorial, so if I pulled some of those up, we can see some reference images here in 3ds Max, basically of a real-life type of object here that we're going to be modeling off of photographic reference. So the idea with this tutorial is to take an object that exists in real life and that we have photographic reference of, bring those photographs into 3ds Max, and I'm going to show you techniques to go ahead and create an object that's very detailed and very faithful to the image that we see here. We have ourselves a very detailed object to create. We have some images here of the back. You can see the back has a lot of different details. We've got things like little USB ports and headphone jacks and all these little holes and air vents and little panels and metal that's cut in different ways and little metal folds, things like that. The front's also got a very fair amount of detail. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be seeing different techniques to achieve this kind of detail in the quickest, most efficient, and easy way possible. So we're going to try to find the easiest, fastest, quickest ways to go ahead and create these type of detailed modeling tasks. So we can see here we're going to be modeling all of these different things. You can see in my viewport we have a lot of detail to do. So it's a fairly long tutorial that's going to cover a lot of different techniques. We're going to be covering the modeling ribbon, the graphite modeling tools up here, also known as the modeling ribbon. We're going to see how to work with that. We're going to work with editable polys in 3ds Max. We're going to work off primitives. We're going to create our own objects. And by the time you're done, you should have the ability to go ahead and pretty much tackle some pretty advanced modeling jobs when it comes to polygon modeling, hard surface modeling, doing this type of mechanical type modeling, which is great for doing props, environment props, architecture, design visualization, game development, lots of different fields and areas take advantage of polygon modeling, and so should you. That's going to do it for this video and the next set of videos, and from here on out we're going to go ahead and get started on this project. We're going to start with an empty scene, start from scratch, and by the end we're going to build this thing right here with all this detail. So welcome aboard, let's have fun, and hope you enjoy yourself with 3ds Max and polygon modeling with i3 tutorials.